Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new grid on Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a free video discussion platform from Microsoft that helps educate, you see, and hear from every student in a class. If you'd like to create a new grid for your students to respond with short videos, keep watching the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell liking so that you'll never miss another update from us. The first thing to do is click open your web browser. In the search box type in Flipgrid. Come and press enter to log in as an educator, and once you're logged into your account, go ahead and create a topic. Select the Topics to tab under discussion and click on create a topic. Now add a title for your topic, or you can also get started by choosing the topic from the display as well. Click on add topic and add the topic to your Flipgrid by clicking on add topic in blue. Now tap on add to the group and select the group that you'd like to add a topic on. If you'd like to add as an individual topic, you can select the first option right here that says add as an individual topic and click next. Now on the next page, your title will be automatically typed in with the help of the topic that you have chosen added from the library. Since all of the information and the details have been typed, ahead over to the next tab where it says permissions and adds your students to whom you'd like to give access for your topic. You can add a student by entering a specific email address or by creating usernames. If you'd like to add students with email, click on the student email option and type in their email in the text box right below. If you'd like to set a username for your students, go to the student username option and now type in the first name for your student, their last name, and then create a username for them. Click on add in order to add them to the student list. Now once you're done, if you'd like to add a password for families and guests to open the topic, you can enable this button right here and type in the guest password. The guest password should be at least 8 characters long and must contain 2 of the following displayed right there. After your passwords meet the criteria, you'll be able to see a green highlighted text appearing right below the password box. Under Essentials, you'll be able to see a button that says Topic Moderation right next to Topic Moderation. Enable the button, and once you do that, all the video responses and comments that you approve will be shared on the recording time. You can select the time for your students to record their video on a certain topic by choosing from the drop-down. If you want to allow comments on video responses, click on this drop-down and choose whether you would like to allow video comments only or text comments only, or you can also set it to none. If you want to disable comments on video responses under the closed caption, select your preferred language from the options. If you'd like to add any attachments, files, or documents to the topic, you can do it by adding a link and adding a title. If you want to add more attachments, simply click on Add Another Attachment, and you'll be able to attach more links on the topic. Under Status, select your stages for your topic, whether you would like to make it active, frozen, or hidden. If you want to allow responses and comments on your topic, you need to keep your topic status to active under Notifications. If you'd like to receive notifications and updates about new responses and comments, click on the drop-down and choose how often would you like to receive it. You can also choose to allow people to get email notifications for responses and comments with your topic. To do so, enable the button, and now under Video Responses, you can allow filters, stickers, and other effects on videos and cover images that your students' responses. If you don't want to allow them to use that, you can select None as well. Similarly, you can allow video editing, attachment links, view accounts to display the number of views a video has received. If you want people to like your videos, you can click on this button right here right next to like, and people will be allowed to give a like on your videos. Similarly, you can allow sticky notes while recording, and you can also allow videos to be downloaded and shared by their owners. To do so, make sure to leave this button enabled. Go to the feedback section, and you can either select to provide basic feedbacks based on ideas and performances, or you can select customer feedback and add the criteria for your feedbacks. After everything's done, you can click on this box right here that says Save Changes to My Default Settings and click on Update Topic, and with this, you have created a grid on Flipgrid. Students can now go ahead and participate to record a response to a certain topic that you've created. That is how you can easily add a grid on Flipgrid. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.